How's it going, everybody? Tom Cormier here with another video for you guys, and this video is about my newly started Amazon dropshipping business. I have started dropshipping on Amazon. It has only taken me about, what day is it? December 4th, probably about 7 months to get started, or maybe 6 months, but I did put it off for a while. I got really entrenched in eBay dropshipping, and I really wanted to learn everything about it and make sure that everything was as good as possible. I hit 200,000 in sales in September, like 194,000 to be exact, but it sounds better at 200, so I'm gonna say 200,000. And it's going well, but like I said, you always wanna make sure that you are not just putting all of your eggs in one basket. And that's how I felt when there was a big drop in sales in November, and I really made a conscious effort to make sure that I went out and I did something new, and I got a new stream of possible ways to make money. So I'm not gonna really show you anything in this video. I'm just gonna explain to you what I've done, what I've started, and how I've gone about it. So, like I said, at the beginning of November, there was a big drop in sales and everybody got worried, and yes, I saw the drop in sales as well. I think it ended up being around 40%, but it has started building back up, and one of my accounts is, hitting about 2,000 sales days regularly again. Another one's hitting over 1,000, and one's getting close to 1,000 every day. So I've had some days where I hit 5,500 in sales since then. I've had multiple days of about 5,000, 5,500. So the sales are coming back. It's also Q4, so the sales should be higher than this, I guess, to begin with. And that's one of the reasons why I'm just trying to branch out into other things. Is eBay dropshipping still a viable method? Yes. Is it harder than it once was? Yes, it is definitely harder than it once was. Can it still be done? Yes. Am I still doing Amazon onto eBay? Yes. Am I selling a lot of Walmart onto eBay? Yes, I'm selling a lot of Walmart. Also, electronics during the winter time, during the Christmas area, from Walmart onto eBay, watch out, they're probably gonna get canceled. So make sure that you're either checking that to make sure that if it gets canceled, you can try to reorder, and if it doesn't work, then you're gonna have to cancel it on eBay. That's one thing I've been running into a lot recently, and I knew it was gonna be a thing, but I just didn't take the time to try to avoid it. It just happened. So that's one little lesson for you guys. But what am I doing right now with Amazon dropshipping? I've started. How much in sales have I gotten so far? I could check on my phone right now, but I think it's about almost 7,000. I was at 6,000 yesterday, but I've sold almost 1,000 today already. It's not even noon Mountain time now. I'm in Mountain time, so I gotta get used to that. But so I am selling pretty good. The margins seem to be higher, in all honesty. They are definitely higher than what eBay is, but sometimes they are lower. You need to make sure that you're not losing money. I'm doing only Walmart onto Amazon at the moment. I know that there's a bunch of other sources out there. I'm using this tool called Web Scraper app, and I have a video coming out on that later, and I've already made the video for that, actually. It's already finished, but that's coming out after this video and that is basically the price tracking software. So how am I going about doing this? I'm using Web Scraper app, which is the price tracking software, much like something that Web Seller Guru would do or Sale Freaks. It tracks it, but Web Scraper app itself does not reprice it. It then sends that information to another program called informed.co, and then that program will reprice it and make sure that you're staying within your proper limits of what you've set up in your strategy, it's called. It's your repricing strategy. And then from there, it will make sure that you get to whatever your lowest point is, if that's a thing, but if not, it'll keep you within the competition range, because it's all about staying near the competition with Amazon dropshipping. And another big precursor I like to say, because I'm sure that some people out here might watch this video, some people that consider themselves the Amazon dropshipping expert. I am not in any way, shape, or form saying that I know even remotely close to what the fuck I'm doing on Amazon dropshipping. I am just going out there and following information that I've seen, that I've been following in groups and whatnot for the past 6 months. Like I said, I've been looking into it, and I finally decided to take action. I think it's also very helpful that I know how to do eBay dropshipping first, and I'm very good at that, so I already know basically how to transfer those skills onto Amazon. All you have to do is learn the new platform, but there's definitely a lot of stuff out there that I do not know. I'm not claiming to know it. I'm just claiming to be transparent with you guys and say, hey, I've moved on to starting Amazon dropshipping, but I'm also putting work into eBay dropshipping as well. My eBay dropshipping business it took a year to get to it, or 14 months. I've been dropshipping for almost 14 months on eBay now. It's basically completely automated. I don't really do anything. My VAs come to me with a few questions a day, and that's it. So I have time now to make you guys videos, make the new virtual assistant course that I just put out, links in the description, check that out if you need to outsource or learn how to outsource the way that I have. And basically, everything that I do on eBay is completely automated. So I had the time to then break into Amazon dropshipping and make money that way. I've had some sales that have gone negative. I've had some sales that have got like $40 profits or $50 profits. And I mean, that's where I'm at the moment. So I have $7,000 in sales. I'm using WebScraper app to price track, and then it sends info over to Informed to then reprice the items. And from there, I mean, it's basically all about finding Walmart items on Amazon, which is the same way, almost the same way, minus Zik Analytics, to find Walmart items on eBay, and then you just list them. It's easier to list items on Amazon. You don't have to worry about the title. You don't have to worry about the description or anything, the pictures. All you're doing is piggybacking onto listings and making sure that you can maybe semi-compete, but it doesn't really matter, because if you can't compete, I mean, it doesn't cost extra money to list these items on Amazon. It's just $40 a month, and you can list an unlimited amount of listings. So that was just a little breakdown about what I'm doing on Amazon, that I did start Amazon, and I do have a video coming out on WebScraper app. I do have a very big discount code for you guys for WebScraper app that I've worked with Ron Myers, the CEO of the company, with for a while. He's basically been the one that's led me by my hand, pretty much dragged me into Amazon dropshipping, because I was just dragging my feet for a while. But I'm so happy that he did, and the discount code is 30% off, which will be in the description below. But if you guys don't feel comfortable enough moving on to WebScraper app yet, I do have a video that's coming out that's already made on how to actually use WebScraper app properly and how to make sure that you are dropshipping on Amazon correctly. So there's a lot of videos that WebScraper app also provides in their support section. So I hope that there's enough information for you guys that think that you're experienced enough with eBay dropshipping that you can get into Amazon dropshipping. I highly suggest learning eBay dropshipping first. And if you guys think that you have enough experience, then I believe that you can get into Amazon dropshipping. Am I gonna put out a course on it? I've already been asked about that. I don't feel comfortable at the moment putting out a course on Amazon dropshipping when I've only sold $7,000 on the platform. Yes, could I turn that $7,000 into $20,000 easily? Yes, I've only listed, I think I've listed 120 items, and I think only like 80 to 90 of them are active at any point in time. So I'm doing these sales and making $1,000 sales days when sales are good, with only 80 or 90 items. So that's another huge benefit that Amazon has. I've had a VA, like I said, virtual assistants are what you need. If you have any money to invest in anything, it should be in virtual assistants. If you're making even $100 or $200 profit a month with your eBay dropshipping business, you should reinvest that into a virtual assistant. Do not say, hey, I'm gonna keep that money because I can do it all on my own, because you fucking can't. And I'm telling you, you cannot do that. It's not gonna work, it's not sustainable. You will never grow to a certain height, to a big, huge account that is all completely automated without you having to do anything, where then you have time to then build another huge account without virtual assistants. It will not work. I had a virtual assistant that I hired in September start sourcing items for me, because I kind of had an idea of how I wanted her to do it for Amazon dropshipping. And then when I finally pushed myself into doing it in November, I already had 1,000 items sourced for me, and I've only listed fucking 120 of them. So I have another 10 times those items waiting for me in an Excel, in a Google Sheet, just sitting there waiting to be listed. And it's not like they're gonna like go bad or anything. Like on eBay they could possibly do that. They're just like evergreen listings that'll sit there. They're gonna make sales. And I haven't, there's no way that I picked the better ones from the worst ones. I literally just made sure that they would have made a semi-profit and that they followed the guidelines that I wanted, and that was it. It's pretty fucking easy, but you need virtual assistants. So that's why we put out this virtual assistant course. That's why we put so much effort into this virtual assistant course, and I really tried to make it as good as possible, because I've seen so many people's businesses fail over the last year, in 2 months, 3 months that I've been doing this. Just seeing so many people go, oh no, I can do this on my own. I don't need to outsource. I don't need to outsource. I don't need to outsource. You need to outsource. How many big businesses like Coca-Cola and things out there like that just started with the Coca-Cola man fucking going around and only having one person? It didn't last very long, did it? He probably outsourced and probably hired a lot of people at some point in time. Any business, any startup, anything out there, you cannot be a one-man show. I haven't seen it be successful, and I don't think I'm going to see it be successful unless you can build all these computer programs to do everything for you, which not everybody knows how to do. Actually, I would say the majority of the people don't know how to do that. So, I mean, I'm going to leave it at that. This video went a little bit longer than I thought, a little bit of a ramble, but if you are interested in WebScraper app, there's going to be a video coming out probably tomorrow or the next day. I'm not sure what day this video is going to actually come out, but just make sure you watch that video first, because it's going to give you more of an insight into what I've been doing, and it does show some of my sales, some of my profits that I've made, and the inside of my Amazon account as well. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys take all the time that you can and just, outsource your business. Always work on trying to make something better than what it is. Always be improving. Always try to find new ways to make money. And if you guys like this video and this type of just inspiration that I hope I'm providing you guys, please subscribe to my channel. It's really what drives me to make more videos and help more people out. I love making these videos for you guys. I love seeing the comments that you guys provide of just how I've changed your life. When I started this, I never thought that was gonna happen, and I never thought that I would make such an impact that I do, and it's actually awesome just to see this and actually have people messaging me every day just saying, hey, thank you so much for this information, thank you so much for this course, for this free info, for inspiring me to go out there and do it, for pushing me to do this. That shit is awesome. So thank you guys very much. Please subscribe, please comment, and I hope you like this video. I'll see you in the next one.